All right, so we're going to multiply exponents that have the same base. So let's take a look at example 4 here first. I'm going to write it a little bit bigger. 3 to the fourth power times 3 to the second power. Um, First off, always make sure that they're multiplying each other, then make sure that they have the same base. When you have that situation of them multiplying each other and having the, again, same base, all you have to do is rewrite the base that you have and then add the exponents together. So that'd be 3 to the sixth. Why? Because 3 to the fourth literally means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And 3 to the second literally means 3 times 3, and um, they're supposed to be multiplying each other. So how many threes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What's another way that we can write 6 threes multiplying each other? 3 to the sixth power. So that's what this basic rule is getting to. Um, Another one real quick would be like x to the 10th times x to the 20th. Well, same base, they're multiplying each other, so it'd be x, add the exponents together to the 30th, x to the 30th power. Okay, so now let's take a look at example 5. Um, 2a squared times 4a squared. What can we do with this? Well, um, first off, understand that the base is actually a for both of them, a to the second power, a to the second power. What you see right here with this 2 and this 4 is that they're actually called coefficients. Coefficients are numbers that multiply the variables there in a term. And so the 2 and the 4 is not being raised to the second power. So we just ignore the fact that it's doing anything to the a squared at this point, okay? If I wrote down a squared times a squared, I think everybody would feel comfortable at this point going, well, that would be a to the fourth power because they have the same base, and then we just add the exponents. Also, I think that if we looked at just the 2 and 4 as the 2 times 4, I think everybody would say, hey, that's 8. It's this idea. You take a look at the coefficients. 2 times 4 is 8, and then a squared times a squared is a to the fourth. So that's what you have to wrap your head around, is that with the coefficients, you multiply them just the way you always have, and then you handle the exponents slightly different by adding the exponents together when they have the same base.